This is my new channel, CV Tong. In this channel, I am making this video number 3. The video number is T3. In this video, I want to make a video on some seasonal problems. The people suffer from various ailments seasonally. So, one of the seasonal ailments is cough and cold. Today, we see many people are suffering with cough and cold. It's a seasonal problem, seasonal ailment. So that's why I have decided to make a video on this seasonal disease, that is cough and cold, to provide a clue or home remedy for the people suffering from this cough and cold. So today's video is home remedy for cough and cold. This is the title of the video. In this video, I want to give the list of the ingredients to be mixed with, and then the method of preparation of the herbal extract for cough and cold. To begin with, I make a list of the herbal ingredients to be added. The first one, vemu or carom seeds, azwan, it is also known as. Second is karakaya, harad. Third is jajikaya or nutmeg. Fourth is nalamiriyalu or black pepper. Fifth one, pudina or mint leaves. Sixth one, dried turmeric. Seventh one, shunti or dried ginger. Eighth one, tulasi leaves. Ninth one, cinnamon or bark of the tree, cinnamon. 10th one, javitri or mace, myristica fragrum. 11th one, lastly, garlic bulbs or cloves. So all these 11 items we have to keep ready for mixing. So before going to the method of making the herbal extract, I want to narrate the importance of medicinal importance of all these 11 items. The first one is vemu or vamu. It's nothing but carom seeds. It's called azwan. It's a very traditional medicine for respiratory problems being used by the human beings since long. It is Trachispermum ami, the botanical name, and it's a very traditional medicine used by the humans for several centuries. The second one, karakaya, is also called harad. Karakaya powder is very important, and it's also a traditional medicine for people being used for immunity, and it's also called king of herbs. It's Terminalia cebula, or it's a very important traditional medicine since long, and it's there in human tradition and culture. And the third one, jajikaya, nutmeg, it is the botanical name myristica fragrans. It is used for inducing sleep. It's a traditional medicine. It relieves anxiety in humans. The fourth one, nalamiriyalu black pepper. It is the botanical name is Piper nigrum. and it's also there as a medicine in human culture and tradition because of its ingredient piperine. It stimulates secretion of digestive enzymes. The fifth one, pudina or mint leaves. Its botanical name is Mentha spicata. It is used for removing the gas from the gut, human gut. It's antibacterial in its properties. The sixth one, dried turmeric powder, and its botanical name is Curcuma longa. It has been used as a traditional medicine, herbal medicine. It is there in the human traditional culture since long because of its antibacterial properties, and it protects the skin also. And the important ingredient in this curcumin, the chemical there in the turmeric powder is curcumin, which is nothing but it has anti-cancer properties and it prevents tumors, and also it prevents pulmonary fibrosis. Fibrosis is a very serious disease condition. Seventh one is Sonti. It's also dried ginger. Its chemical or botanical name is Gingiber officinale. It's there in the human tradition as a medicine for seasonal disease like cold and cough. Eighth one, Tulasi. Its botanical name is Ocimum sanctum or Ocimum tenuiflorum. It's known as queen of the plants because of its important significant medicinal values. Of course, for many centuries, it is there being used as a traditional medicine for respiratory health and immunity, and as cough and cold also. There are various tulasi species, Rama tulasi, Krishna tulasi, Vana tulasi, and Kapoor tulasi, especially for cough and cold extract preparation. We use Krishna tulasi leaves and Kapoor tulasi leaves because they're the best one having ingredients for this respiratory health. Ninth one, cinnamon or bark of the tree cinnamon. Its chemical botanical name is Cinnamomum varum or Cinnamomum geilenicum or Cinnamomum cassia. These are very important uh, species in cinnamon genus. Of course, it has important chemical ingredient cinnamaldehyde and eugenol also. Therefore, it has been used as a traditional medicine for anti-inflammatory properties since long. Tenth one is Javitri, mace it is called. The botanical name is Myristica fragrans. A nutmeg it is called. Traditional medicine for since long in humans for respiratory disorders. The last one is garlic, and garlic is in the form of bulbs, and each bulb can have 10 to 20 cloves, and its botanical name is Allium sativum, and it has a chemical ingredient allicin. The allicin is very famous for its immune boosting properties, prevents cold. So, keeping the important medicinal properties, all the 11 items we have to keep ready, and we have to make them into powder or paste. For example, the first one, Vemo, we can directly put it in the for extract. Of course, Karakaya we should make it a powder, and Jajikaya we have to crush it into powder, and black pepper also we have to make it into powder, and Pudina leaves of course directly we can add into for extract, and turmeric of course we have to convert into powder, dry powder, and sunti also we have to crush it into powder, dry powder, and tulasi leaves of course directly we can add to make the extract. Cinnamon, the bark of the cinnamon tree, cinnamomum verum, of course we can put them into a mortar with a pestle, we can make it into powder. And cinnamon powder we need, and javitri mace also powder we need, we have to make it into powder. Then last one, the garlic, of course it has bulb, each bulb can have 10 to 20 cloves, we have to be separate them and then crush them to fine paste for better results. So once we keep all these 11 ingredients, herbal ingredients ready, then take 300 ml of water in a bowl and heat to boil. Then when the water boils, one by one all the 11 items, herbal items, we have to put one by one slowly and stir the mixture thoroughly. And once we put all the 11 herbal ingredients as we have listed already mentioned already, and let the solution water boil for 20 minutes, and after that then we have to keep it aside, remove it from the stove, and then keep it in the aside and let it cool down to room temperature. And then once it cools down to room temperature, and transfer the contents. Of course the boiling should be carried out for 20 minutes so that the 300 ml gets reduced to 200 ml, about 30% of water should evaporate, and the remaining will be 66% of the volume. And then this 200 ml we have to preserve after cooling in a clean container, glass or steel, and preserve it for 3 or 4 days. We can preserve it in the, then every day in the morning when you get up, take 50 ml of this extract, herbal extract, in the empty stomach, and for 4 days you can take each day 50 ml in the morning, and after 4 days you can see completely you get relieved of cold and cough. This is the best home remedy for cough and cold. It is having, this extract has all the important traditional medicine with important anti we can say respiratory ailments. That is, most of the cough and respiratory problems will be solved, will be alleviated with this extract. So this is the best and most important extract, herbal extract for seasonal disease like cough and cold. So dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.